Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name's IceGrenade. And yeah, continuing to work on the new project. We're like just over 2 weeks in. And yeah, going to be continuing it in just a moment. So just getting all set up on my end. Hopefully everyone is good. I think we'll do a 2-screen layout today, so mainly the viewport for you guys. Right. So just getting set up. Almost there. Yeah, how you doing? What's going on? Welcome. Hope you had a good start to your week. Yeah, it's a Monday. Feeling good. Had a good day today. Some of the guys have been cooking on the project. In last stream we added some foliage, right? But it looks like we got some grass, man. It might need some help. I don't know if that's the foliage layer or added to the landscape tip. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy. Need some adjustment there, but that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. My first time seeing the grass. But yeah, dude. Yeah, it's a bit heavy and it's got some weird coloration edits to do. But dude, pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Oh god. How we doing, Nick? Ivo, what's going on, man? Not to be grass here. That's interesting. I need to paint this landscape. Yeah, come over here. This is the new secret jump. Go do the jump. Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Now we got some collision on the fence there. So you got a little path here. Pretty nice. Oh, what's that? A little shortcut. Oh, wicked. Beautiful. Dude, it's looking really cool, actually. Still early days, of course. How we doing, Dizzle? What's going on? How we doing, anti-gaming? We got some grass in the showroom of the van showroom there. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, we've got a character over there. Yeah, man. And then we got a big jump here. Oh god, we've messed it up. Let's go grab another one. We're going to see our bear. So silly. Alright, here we go. Last looking flashy. Yeah, it's a little bit too flashy, the grass. It's not meant to look quite like this, but I'll take it. Oh my god. The air in that. I was thinking for that jump, we should line it up so like you jump to like onto a crane or something. Anyways, yeah, the grass needs some work. Oh, there's a train, look. Cool, let's go over to the new area. And come over here. You go over the river, and this is the new area. So this is to be the farm. And then we got the train crossing. There's the train in the distance over there. You can come over here. And this will be a farm when it's done. So yeah, this is a farm. Thinking of doing a farmhouse and then like some little they need to be bigger, but stables, and then a barn, and then some cornfields and some animals. But then, oh god, oh no, I messed that up. Oh no, mistakes were made. Can I ghost? I don't think I can ghost. Maybe I can go this way. No, let me try fly instead. No, I can't. Right, let me try walking. Oh, do you know what? Let's get back to here. You saw nothing. Oh, what's going on? Welcome. Nice to catch you. Oh, yeah, I've been replying to your message. Yeah, man. Appreciate your support. Yeah, this is a new jump that I'm working on. Oh, it's a little bit. Whoa. The double jump. Yep. Anyways, yeah, the idea is that you jump over the train track. We'll kind of hide this jump a little bit, and it'll be maybe an achievement or something. I've worked on the train that's now hiding inside the mountain, so when you start up the level, it will poke its little face out of the tunnel like that. And then it, yeah, works its way around and down. I don't know if you can, okay. Probably can land on the train, actually. Might be like a fun Easter egg to be a train rider. Anyways. Are you doing alright? Yeah, so one of my comments about the trees was they had like a white outline to them that we needed fixing. So I told him the other guy, Crane, and he was like, and then he went and fixed it, and it looks great now. So I didn't. Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Yeah. What else? So yeah, trees are looking very vibrant. We need to match the grass underneath them now. So just make that darker. Yeah, there's going to be some fixes needed. Some work needed. But for now, I kind of want to go focus on the job level. Oh. Hello, mate. We got some grass in here. What are we going to do about that? Listen to me. Right. Oh, what's that fence doing down? Yeah, I was playing trying to make some like physics-based fences. They're falling. They're falling. Slow motion. Yeah, I might just put them at the top where it's a bit flatter. Okay. I was working on a bundle here. I think for the feeling, it's something to get there. Obviously, we need better blending of the... oh my god. AI. Made a beeline for me. Yeah, better blending and... yeah, starting to bring up the art everywhere would be good. But yeah, I've been working on the layout of the game. So that was adding the new train jump in, adding the new farm area. Oh no. Uh-oh. And yeah, we did the landscaping on the last streams, which I'm very happy with how it's looking, the landscape. It's been through a lot of changes. Oh yeah, we added this jump, which is good. Yeah, I might just do a quick little pass on this landscape real quick. Just because grass here doesn't make any sense whatsoever. So I'm just going to do like an asphalt here. So if I paint that, then there's not going to be any grass on there. That's good. Cool. Yeah, and there shouldn't be any grass around here either, so... I don't know if, did I make that pavement? No, I made that asphalt, so... Okay. Is it in the job? Oh my god, it's in the job location as well. Yeah, well, this is kind of important, so I'll get this done real quick. Anyway, hope everyone's Monday's going well. Start of the week. Hope you have a great week this week. yeah, exciting stuff on this project, man. All sorts of stuff happening. The guys have been working hard, improving the character and the setting up the materials and everything. What happened to the van in here? I think the van was originally like this was the original version, like model. I deleted that, so we only got the merged version, which we don't need, but yeah. Okay, so cleaned up all of the grass that is inside the buildings. Spell it. Gonna commit that. Oh yeah, we probably could use like a pavement here for this. We don't need no grass in there. Especially with the Cena as well. Yeah, if you are watching this and you're supporting the development, you want us to know how you can support it more. We do have a Discord that we're using to help make this game. And then some point, like maybe like October, November this year, we'll probably open the Discord to be public. But you can join it early as a playtester. So the second we want to start playtesting stuff, we'll start slowly letting some people in to help test the game. And yeah, I really appreciate your support on that. Cool. Yeah, it's grass needs a little bit of work, but it's I think the code needs or its implementation needs a little bit of work, but I'm far off. Do I want a secret path like that? No, I don't think so. I don't need like no path along the side here. Maybe something like that is quite cool actually. Have you got a name for the game? Yeah, it's the name of the Discord. But it's something that I'm not going to publicly talk about on YouTube. Yeah, it's all subject to change still, that. But I think it's a pretty cool name. It fits the theme of the game. Like when you hear the theme of the game, I think you agree. I should make that like a slipway for launching boats. A public slipway. Anyways, I can spend loads of time improving the landscape and everything. But I want to get working on the job level. So I'm going to commit that and then get back to working in the job level. Let's do that. So, small landscape improvement. Oh no, foliage. foliage improvements, painting, clean up, whatever, small little thing. Cool. All right, let's go over to the job. Cool. Do this. I need to catch up on the chat, so let me do that real quick. Bam, 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 bam. How we doing, Dizzle? It's a gaming. Silent WP. Good to see you guys. Ivo's on. Let's catch a look for the game. French physics goes crazy. Not sure what you want to disclose yet, but what exactly is the game about? So if you put in ! game, it will tell you what the game is about a little bit, and that's about as much as I can talk about the theme and everything. Needs a lawnmower in that shop, yeah. You love the staging area up top. The staging area. Oh, what? Where all the stuff is. Yeah, our little asset board. I told him to hide it behind the cliffs, and he moved it behind the cliffs, and then I extended the cliffs and exposed it, and then he moved it up higher, so now it's still visible. But he's moving again. But yeah, it's helpful to see all the assets and whatnot. Release your third. Monday good so far. Nice. Release your third zombie this weekend. Shot profit. Nice, man. Send a link, Poop. I'll definitely check it out. Nice. Shot profit sounds like a perk. That's why I froze for a second, because my brain was like, sounds like a perk, and then I lost the trail of thought, and then I had to reread that it was a map. But yeah, that's dope. That sounds good. Wouldn't mind a bit of playtesting. Yeah, we got a few people already on the Discord, but it's still really early, so it's kind of too early to even like show anything. But yeah, I mean, I can show you. It's part of the Discord, right? So yeah, we've got a little section here for you guys. So if you're on the Discord, that's all you can see at the moment. I'll start posting little random posts here, a little general chat and a playtest channel. But it's literally empty. Otherwise, these are all like some of the channels we're using to work on projects. So things will be populated at some point. For now, keeping it's so early that there's no point like pushing the Discord yet, because otherwise it's just not a good idea. Because we might start playtesting. I would think like the June, July, August, September, maybe August, September time. And then the Steam page might go live like October, November time, and then aim to release it like Jan, Feb, maybe Feb, because like post Christmas. But yeah, that's probably a good time. Not January, because everyone spent all their money on Christmas, so no one even has £5 to spend on a game. But February, maybe they might be able to find £5. And you're giving all the games that launch for Christmas enough time to fizzle down. So February seems like a good time. So yeah, I need to look at the numbers for that. But yeah, we might have been playtesting. I appreciate it. How you doing, Antonio? Are you doing all right? We good to help. Oh yeah, appreciate that. But yeah, it'll be good, man. Who's with me? A few friends of mine. We got a coder, an all-around jack of all trades, a art guy who's an animator and blender, crazy good blender person, and then a composer who's really makes some crazy music. So an audio, doing all the audio for the game. Water looks really good. Had some trouble working with water. I haven't touched that. Someone else implemented that, but it is really cool. Again, what's going on? Hello. Exclamation mark game. Exclamation mark game. Oh, it's good. It's got like a rate limit thing. So, oh, I need to turn off Nightbot. You talk about Nightbot. Hide. No. Put this user on. No. Right. What are you using for source control? GitHub. No, we're using Permaforce. Way better. Just keep it. Well, I'm Superman. When I see the IceGrenade, I click. I appreciate that. Yeah, I hope you're all good, guys. I'm going to move the chat over to the other screen. And then... yeah, hello. Hello, if you're tuning in. Right, so, what's going on? What's the crack? What's the situation? I'm going to go to my skylight, where I've got intensity scale 1. I wonder if I can add a secondary skylight and do editor only, so that when I'm working it's like bright, but then I'm gonna put like 0.2, no 0.1, like that, and then on the second skylight I'm gonna do editor is editor only, actor. Cool. And now I can work and it'll be daytime, and then when I play it'll be daytime. Hello? Weird. Okay, I don't really know. It is like the is editor only. Doesn't actually work in game, so that's great on the Sky Actor. Visible. Let me see what it is. Actor hidden in game. Okay, let me now try that. There we go. There we go. So now I got it. So when I'm playing, the lighting's a little bit more aligned with the my seedlings got deleted. What do you do with my seedlings, bro? Deleted my seedlings. How dare you? We got to give him some. What's the word? Yeah, he deleted all my settings, but it's fine. He's new to Unreal, so this thing happens. This sort of thing happens. I'm just gonna, We're just working the block out for now. Visibility. Oh. Hang on, I think there's actually an issue here with these. Yeah, I think I damn, okay. Yeah, I need to find the asset that is like missing a static mesh. Yeah, these are all here, so I'm just getting through these. That's all good. did the walls first, so that's why they're all popping up. Then we did the floors. Oh no, there's some doors. And then we did the ceiling, so. Right, so now we got to the walls. So what I'm doing now, I'm just running through. One of the assets that I use has been deleted and not replaced with something. So I need to explain to Craig how to... Ah, there we go. I found them. You, sir, there's my ceiling. Give me back my ceiling. 682. Okay, let me just check some of these. 682. They should all be together. So... should all be together. So 682, 682, and look at all these broken ceilings, man. Okay, I'm slapping my down arrow key so much. It's like it owes me money or something. Oh, no. Right, floor 7, 682 was it? I'm gonna wear out the thing on my keyboard, the switch. Right, there we go. 682. Boom, like that. And then pick the ceiling. And then bang. Woohoo! We got our ceilings back. Beautiful. Stop. I'm not talking to your phone. How often do you guys' phones think that you're talking to them and they start doing stuff? Just stop. No. Okay, so there still are some ceiling. Let me add that to a folder called ceilings or ceiling, and then okay, so going through the meshes right now, looking for a ceiling. Right, that one, 859. 859. I think they are also ceilings. Yeah, they are. Okay, let's go. Add that to ceilings. Okay, 843. Dude, I'm spending loads of time fixing other people's mistakes. It's probably too early to start using art though. What are you using for source control? Perforce. Did have an issue with Perforce. My buddy and I were working on a game. We have another buddy trying to host a server for us and it just died. Any suggestions? Always take back. Well, my suggestions are going to be helpful. It's always take backups and everything. Anything happens, just like restore a backup, because yeah, getting into the nitty gritty bit of Perforce, I don't try and avoid all that. Like, I don't trust it. So don't trust myself. Yeah, with Perforce, there's a lot of settings and you can press one button and nuke it. So just yeah, once it's working, just like, I don't know, try to avoid breaking it. I use a remote server as well, so I definitely recommend that remote server with backup and restoring, rather than doing something local and having to get all messy with getting it all done locally, with firewalls and all that. Like, no thanks. But yeah, I don't know, it sounds messy. Oh, we did Toty Felix. Good to see you, man. When you choose Unreal over Unity or Godot, previous experience, pretty much. I've been working in Unreal every day for the last 6-7 years. So Yeah, ignore the lights. Okay. 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 10 minutes wasted, but it's fine. We are good. I'm gonna set our grid up. So yeah, I'm thinking we can go like this. I'm going to start building out of the level. So this will be the front door. Come in. Cool. I don't know if I like that, like there. I'm going to move back to there. Move that to there. Okay. Cool. Kind of like this. I think with this, I'm going to do a carpet mechanic as well. So actually, I'm a bit, yeah, let me see. I'll probably want those boards crossing, yeah, crossing over, probably like, there's already some, yeah, that's good like that. That's good. So I probably want this to be like, I don't know, 2 maybe, and then cool. And then is it this one and this one? What I'm thinking here is that I want to bring in the dimensions to fit a tile better, so that it's easier to be more modular. I then want to create a carpet, so I'm going to do that real quick. Let's go to my outliner. Let's go that. So yeah, I'm going to use a local cube, and I'm going to cover cover the area like this. That's the size of the carpet. It's good. Let me set that, and then I'm gonna do copy paste. I'm gonna call it prop carpet, and I'm gonna put that into props. Move here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna set up set this up as a why is the mode not selected? I'm doing shift 5 and nothing's happening. Okay, Unreal bug, nice. Transform, yeah, do apply. If I check the material, it's good. And then I'm gonna edit the material and pick the master material. So yeah, apply that. Then the only other thing I'm going to do is I don't think I can insert edge loops on a cube, so it doesn't work. I think what I need to do is the lattice select, and then I can just grab all 4 corners and then scale like that, maybe, and then scale like that. I want to make a nice little rug. Alright, I'm going to grab the outsides. I think I'll bring those out a little bit, actually. Set that. Yeah. Get in there. Copy that, and then this. I think I'm going to use that edit pivot and just go down a hair and hit accept. That way I can paste the location and it'll be in the right place. So it's not floating. That's good. The only other thing is to change the UV map on it, but that's fine. I'm going to leave that for now. I'm actually going to set the collision to no collision. I guess I can just delete it, actually. So I can copy the carpet, go into this prefab. What are we talking about? This blueprint. Add it in. And then this is going to be, I'm just going to call it the carpet. That's easy to find. And then if it breaks, what we'll do is I'm going to destroy component, and I can't do that, right? No, that won't work. Because I can't destroy multiple things on one thing, can I? I need to do it for each. Hang on, I'm really confused. Oh my god. Oh. I'm not hearing any more explosions. I think it's I don't think it's yeah, I don't think it's... Oh, Jesus. That just made my heart go. Got jump scared, bro. What are you doing here, man? Stay out the trap, bro. I don't know what he's doing, like, falling into it. Bro, what the hell, man? Oh, that was not expected. That's hilarious. I don't have the chat up, by the way. Yeah, I think the code works. Dude, legendary. Dude, Josh, thank you so much for your continued support, bro. Legend, man. Thank you, dude. 31 months legendary. Freaking legend, bro. You thought the front door was the door, nothing or death. So, yeah, the front door, we're having an exterior. We were deciding that today. That we wanted... Oh, God. Oh, I died. Okay, the player death anim stuff is not working. Yeah, we're going to have an exterior. So, a lovely, beautiful exterior. And then we're going to have, like, proper windows. But, yeah. So, yeah, at the moment... They do damage these bookshelves. Yeah, this is my trap. So, lovely little carpet hiding the true trap underneath there. Yeah, the AI spawned over here and him running for me. I got this weird like white box artifacting, which I think is something to do with the view, the rendering. Like it's not rendering stuff fast enough. I'm gonna put slow-mo 0.1 and just see if we get that same artifacting. We still get it, and the same amount, so... Okay. Readables. Getting shot at, bro. Yeah, the rig is so broken on that character. How we doing, love eyes? Welcome to the stream. Good to see you, G. You're not worked in Unreal. Dude, Unreal, you know, world's your oyster. You can make whatever you want. Yeah, we've got that rendering issue to fix. But, I like the feeling of the size of the thing. I just think we need to do like a little bit more on the size of this. But it's hard to guess because it's hard to guess because brain, hello. We haven't got all of the mechanics in, so we haven't got the enemies in, we haven't got what you do in the level in. There's still a lot of things that need to be set up first, so I wonder if there's a quick way to find assets that don't have a material, a mesh assigned. I could have just missed the ceiling here, to be honest. But yeah, I either missed the ceiling or it got deleted in an art update. I'm just running through them now. Nice music. How we doing, Special Operator? Good to see you. Josh, hello, hello. You've been developing this for a hot minute, haven't you? Okay. By a hot minute, it's about 2 weeks, 3 days, if I was to guess. How many days ago is the is it the 27th of January when we started this? So I'm about 3/4 of the way up the asset list right now. Just flying through, trying to find some null references. There's probably a faster way of doing this, but there's not a hell of a lot of stuff in our level, so I thought, what the hell, why not? Yeah, I don't see any null references, so I must have just forgotten to put that there, to be honest. Oh no, it is there. Oh my god, just spent ages looking for something that's already there. Good stuff. IceGrenade. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll fill these in. Already had that, okay. Oh yeah, I need one of them there. Okay. Yeah, come down here, got this room, that's good. I think this room needs to be like sectioned off a little bit. So we go like that. Yeah. Eventually we'll do like procedurally generated rooms, but for now we just want to make a fun job level. So yeah. The procedularity, if that's a word, I think I just made that up, is wait, is that a transparent? No. Gonna get rid of that. Well, I'm gonna go like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I want to hide the fact there's a hole there a little bit better. Not much better, just a little bit better. Okay, these are our looting discussion template holder things that don't matter too much right now. Okay, go like that. Pop you out. Got the door. Come through here. Okay, let it go like that, and then here, like that. Don't need you. Don't need you. Come down here. I'm making an interesting layout plan. this. I want to see how interesting we can get the layout before we need to like start adding in some new pieces to the kit. Maybe your concept design is off by a mile. Yeah. Or off by a meter. One or the other. Do I want to hide the edge of the stairs a little bit? I kind of like the exposed edge stairs. Interesting. Let me... place a couple of these. The doors. Okay, I'm gonna move some of these. Yeah, I might have to do like a handcrafted level to compare this against, but see. Yeah, we're doing good here, Josh, man. In response to your message. Doing good, just busy, bro. Like, being a dad. I did wonder how being a dad would affect my performance on mapping and making content. And I thought it might affect it a bit more. So we'll go like this. Yeah, I'm gonna start just doing some general block out. Let me see what assets I got that I can work with. Where are you? Maybe the living room, and then we got the kitchen in here. So I'll do the this is the kitchen. Oh my god, absolute deadly. Alright, what we got to work with? Yeah, I might push some of this back a little bit. So I'll bring that to like, oh no, I don't want to do that. Like that, like that. Okay. I don't really like that either, so I'm just going to push this back another couple as well. Hope that can nice feeling space here. Okay, I don't need that one anymore. I'd love to check out your work. Do you have anywhere I can check it out? I have an art station. But my art station, like, I was like, what the hell is that? But it looks like a advert, which just shows some of the mapping stuff I did. Because I do level design for work, I can't really show the exact stuff that I've done because it's all under NDA. But the game projects that I worked on was Dune Awakening, and here's loads of public images of Dune Awakening. So it's about the best I can do. Here's one of the biggest projects that I've worked on in Black Ops 3. Yeah, that's on my my art station, which you can check out. How long is a session when working? Also, Dad, kind of balance everything. A session when working? Well, I work. You know, I have a job to pay the bills, and yeah, I mean that could literally be, what's that, 8 hours a day? So this isn't on the grid. It's kind of annoying. Not on the grid. I can't, bro. I don't think I can use this. None of it's on the grid, so I don't know how I can. Dude, I can't use that. It's not on the grid, so I can't use it, man. It's like not. Right, I'm gonna extend this room out a little bit so I can turn it into a bedroom. That to over there. I don't think I need that door there. I think I do like that being a door, actually. Maybe just swap it around. And that way. Yeah. So right now I'm kind of exploring the shape language of the design. Designing a little cottage, but like gamified. So what that might look like. Well, I prefer it like this, with a door. I think I might. Maybe. I've got an idea. Put it out like that. Okay, what if we bring that to there? A half step. Oh, let me answer that again. How long do you spend at a time when working on your personal projects? It varies. So I try to stream and work on my projects at regular times. But you know, some of the stuff I do is kind of depends on what what's happening. I've got to be a bit dynamic. So sometimes it's like an hour here, an hour there. Yeah. Other times I'll just sink in like 6-7 hours in a chunk. But depends what's going on, you know. My wife is tired and hasn't slept much, needs a hand, then I might have to step up and help out a bit more than usual. Or if she's cool, you know, then maybe get a few more hours in. Well, I'm to my my window, bro. Do 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 do. Eventually, we'll make this game procedural, so we're kind of like handcraft certain rooms and layouts that then have variants, and then randomly connect them together with the socket system and a set of rules. Yeah. But we want to gamify things, so you know, like this is an interesting layout for a living room. But there's definitely going to be some interesting shapes and language stuff. No, I probably want to care less about how I'm placing stuff and just get loads of stuff in, and then we can play test and check the heights and everything of these assets. But I think at the moment all a bit all over the place with these assets. So I don't think I can use as many of these as I want to. All the proportions all over the place here, man. And the origins and everything. Yeah. Don't know about that. Where did my details panel go? Which is a way to like go that. Oh, I got squish. Okay, there we go. I don't think. Okay. Oh god, he's been eating the chicken. He's been eating chicken. Oh god. Well, the cat has been very interesting. So, let me show you where I found him today. Yep, he decided it would be a great place to take a nap on one of my laptops while it was on. I didn't bother to disturb him. So, yeah. Is it a big cat or a small laptop? It is a big cat. That is a yay size laptop. And then I've just had word that he's stolen all the chicken off the worktop in the kitchen, and then on top of that, he's killed a mouse, brought it in, left it in the kitchen. He's a beast, he is. I've been told not to run downstairs because there's stuff. Bam, 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 bam. I don't think I can use these, like, these walls how they're going to be used. Can't really use them. Cheeky cat. He likes to try and push his luck. He knows the rules. Well aware of the rules, but the allure of chicken was too strong today. Won him over. Bam, 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 bam. Have I got the nav modifiers? Let me just have a look. Nav modifier volume. Okay, let me press P. Okay. Oh, that kind of works anyway. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm just gonna control G that real quick. I don't understand. The mouse is static. Why is it a separate model? Wait. It also doesn't line up anywhere. Right, yeah, I don't want a nav mesh rendering on this table, I think. You're gonna have 4 kids, 1 more in the way. Isn't really trying to work full time, working person projects. Oh man, if you got 4 kids, almost 5. I was busy, man. You've been busy. Beep, beep, beep. I don't think these are any good. I need them for. No. That's fine. These ones, what we got here? Okay. Doo-doo. Yeah. What happened to my manipulating handle? Why has it gone all small? Okay, physics is on. Although I want to. Oh, why is it too big, man? What's the collision looking like? Oh no. There's no collision profile set up. Help, lad. Okay. That's a shame. Remove and auto. Do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll be really intelligent and just do it properly. Oh. That's what I think when I see that. Box. Mush. Punny. Why is there a disco light show in my editor right now? The hell? I hate the edit. I hate this so much. I can't get the accuracy that I want with this stupid thing. But that's not accurate. Neither of those is accurate, like the amounts. Phoenix Studio, what's going on? Welcome. What kind of roguelike is this? And I need to turn off runtime navigation. I think I can just press P and it will stop building the navigation in real time. You can turn off real-time navigation though, so why don't you turn off the snapping? I have done. There's this button here, but it doesn't work with the collision tool. The collision tool, I'm sorry, Epic Games, if you're ever watching, is arse. And that's being nice. It is arse. It is horrendously bad. Like you're blindfolding yourself and then jumping off a cliff. Like, why would you do that? Just give us better tools for making collisions, please. Let us use your modeling tools. Oh my god, I can't go in between those. That's so annoying. I scale up and then let go and then scale down. Feel really bad. You know, their collision tools can suck it, to be honest. They suck. I should do this in Blender, but I am not doing that. Okay. Okay. I need to do 2 more, and then we can never do collision again and leave it to someone else. And then every single bookshelf will be fixed in our game. Okay. Nice. Okay. That doesn't save on. I'll be happy. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Do do do. What is up with that origin? Cool. Let me do save and then do simulate. Oh no, I don't have to do that. I need to enable physics on these. Okay, and then if I do simulate. They got no collision. Of course they don't. Oh, the collision's just wrong. Okay, I'm gonna leave those books for now, but I get a vibe for like, whoa. It just spat out the books. This is hilarious. Okay. I'm gonna do something better. I'm gonna spawn random stuff on the shelves. Wasabi, how we doing? What's going on? Oof, what we got? What we got going on here? We are making a crazy physics online co-op rogue-lite adventure game. So Phoenix Studio, if I'm gonna type it for you, but yeah, see what the game's about. Put an exclamation mark game in the chat. There's a little bit more info. How am I doing? Yeah, good man. Doing good. Just right, I think what we'll do is I can go a bit crazy with the old sockets. So if I go like this and socket, I'm gonna call it item spawner. I don't think it matters what I call it, but yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, brilliant. Placed perfectly. Then what we do, write some code that we do. What do I want to do? I want to spawn random sockets. So for each, and then I'm going to do get sockets from mesh. Yeah. I want to do print string, and then I want to do I am gonna make an integer called socket counter. And then I'm gonna put that as a integer, and I'm going to do a little compilation. Grab you, gonna do a get, gonna do a set, and we're gonna do this add like that. Get +1 like that. That's fine. Actually, I can just do index, so put that into there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go like that. Yes, sir. Go like that. Yeah. Sorry, go like that. Well, it feels really weird not to do anything with the loop body other than get the index. Would it be the index +1? Yeah, I can just, I don't know, it's a bit extra, but it's technically correct. So let's do that. Yeah, buddy. What? Let's have a look, see what's going on. 271. I don't think that's right. Excuse me, can I fix you? Oh, what's going on? Everything diddle. Jump in VC. Put you in the middle. Wait, what are you talking about? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Doing good. Doing good. Doing good. Variables. Yeah. Print. String. Append. No. Do add. I don't want to do that. Append. Append. String. So string A, I want to do book shelf socket counter. Then pass that puppy in. Then spit that into there. Pop tour in there. Beautiful. Yeah, 25. Looks good to me. Wanted to test that logic real quick. That's all good. And all that was temporary. Do 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 do. I don't need you. I don't need you. Okay, so construction script. What I'm going to do is make array. And for each of these, I'm gonna. Oh. Yeah. I don't think I want to do that. I think I want to get socket location. Okay, so I want to create a mesh component. Static mesh. So I want to create one. Add static mesh component. Target equals set array element. No, I'm gonna just shuffle. So yeah, I want to pass in the socket. I don't think I can do that. What I really need to do is set up a variable of loot meshes, but maybe I'll populate that later a different way. But that'll be fine for now. Yes. Yes. I need to save that. Puppy, put it to an array. And we're gonna go get it. And we're gonna do shuffle. Right, so pop that in there. Okay, so shuffling our loot meshes, which will probably be blueprints later, but it's fine. Then append from the string node. I've deleted it. Then for each of them, we're getting the sockets, getting the location, and we're adding a mesh. I think we can do this. No, I want to get a copy of the index. Oh. No. Yeah, don't want to do that. Kind of spawn a new mesh at every one of those. I'm just going to add some anyway. Bottle. Give me a bottle. What's another one? Another bottle. Okay, so we got 3 beer bottles. Okay. Construction. Yeah, how you doing, Nebula? What's going on, man? I'm setting up a script at the moment to generate some random loot. So we're going to shuffle them, and then we're going to just create a 4 actually. 4 loop, and then I'm going to do 6 Oh, actually, I want to get a random in range, anywhere from 3 to 7. Okay. So instead of that, oh, actually. I don't want to do that. This is not right. Move over here. Yeah, first thing I want to do is randomize the sockets. So, I mean, you don't need to do that yet. If we first get all the sockets, then we are going to set array so like this, set array element. Okay. That's setting it. The item that needs to be oh god, that's really confusing. So get random array length. Okay. Kinda need to do this thing. Right, so okay, my brain is completely broken right now on this. I don't want to do that. I don't know what the hell I do. I need to spend more time coding, man. I'm such a noob. Right, let me sudo this out first. I want to go through all the sockets, and I want to set the array. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this yet. I think what I need to do I don't think I need that. I think what I need to do I think I need to randomize the sockets first. So that's good. Randomize the sockets. Then I need to populate the loot array. So the loot array is static. So let me pick some more stuff here. Okay. Okay, so I need some small items. Okay, I'll improve this later. Okay, so that's good. We want to shuffle that. We want to shuffle the loot meshes as well. So everything's scrambled. That's good. And then we want to do this. So for each of the oh my god, bro, my mouse abilities there, terrible, shocking. So yeah, for 3 to 7, what we want to do is add a static mesh, and then we want to grab the index of the loop meshes. So I don't want to get that one. I want to get this like this, and then what is it not going then? Come on, let's get in a loop mesh, bro. Oh, it's a static mesh component. Do I need to change this to static mesh component? Oh, yeah. I don't know if that is. I hate my life. Coding's the main existence, love it, but coding hurts my brain. I love coding, but I am a noob to. I'm not a noob. Okay, I just haven't done much blueprinting in a long time. I've done a lot of game script, like coding, but yeah, it's stuff like this that I like. Okay, the constructs are different to Call of Duty coding. You just have variables in COD, so you have like threads and variables, and here you got components that aren't the same as instances. So a component generates an instance, I believe. So I need to basically here I need to get rid of this, and somehow I need to set this target to one of these array members. So I need to get an array. I don't want to get a copy though. That's not what I want to do. Get the name. Get object name. No. Get static mesh. I just want to plug it in. Let me plug it in, please. Is that what I need to do? No, I don't want to do that. If I do it right, I should see a random set of meshes appearing on the bookshelf. But yes. Instead of that, maybe I need to do static mesh, set a static mesh, set Niagara. Yeah, maybe I can do that. Bam, bam, bam. No, I don't know what I'm doing here. This ain't right. This ain't right. I know what I'm trying to do here, but somewhere along the line here, I'm born static mesh is on shelf. I'm going to put a comment there and let the programmer come and do it. I don't want to do set array element. Yeah, maybe I do actually. So I'm shuffling the socket names, but that's an instance of the socket names. It's not actually shuffling the socket names as far as I know. Then we're shuffling the loop meshes, so they're getting shuffled, which is good. Then 4, somewhere between 3 and 7, we're going to loop around the circles. Going to get the index, so 0. We get the new loop mesh index, and then here I think I need to do get mesh. Oh, sorry. Get mesh. Get a section from that mesh. I don't want to do that. So here would be a static mesh, and then what I want to do, maybe here I'm going to do set location. Like here we need to take them from the array and actually add them. So add static mesh component. Basically need to spawn a static mesh. How do you spawn a static mesh? Static mesh. I want to generate a mesh. Maybe I need to add them first, and then replace, move, and delete what I don't need. That's what I do other times, rather than generating them. And that's another option. So if 7's going to be the max, then I could like create mesh. Create grid mesh. Create mesh. It's not coming up. Create mesh. Create mesh object. Loop meshes. Yeah. Random. No. Mesh. Okay, mesh. Okay, cube. I don't want to do that. Add mesh, create static. What if I just do book right now? And then I do like set location. Then Yeah, get location. Oh yeah, we'll do this. Get socket. Oh right. We just do that. Get socket. Get socket. Location mesh. What's a good one? Item spawner. I'm gonna put that in there randomly. Oh my god. Right. I might have to leave this to my coder. Yeah, that doesn't look right to me, doing that. Isn't it create mesh? Spawn active from class. Spawn active from class. Yeah, spawn sounds like a good one. Not giving me the option. Spawn actor from class. Yeah, maybe I need to set up a class of lootables. They'll probably be like this. Static mesh actor. I don't want to get a copy. How do I get like first array, then not for each. Yeah, maybe I do like this. Then get that. Maybe it's just shuffle them to begin with. Then random. I need 4 each. I don't want to do that. It's not right. Maybe I can do like delete, remove. Do. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. How do I get rid of that? One actor. What's the instigator? Oh. Okay. Set. Mesh. Is that when I need the yeah. I don't want to see what that looks like. Nice. I want to get the location, so get socket transform. Get bucket name. Oh, that's cooked, bro. That's cooked. There's a bottle spawning. That's so cooked. Let me just put a light here real quick. Why it's spawning a bottle? What I want to do, transform. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do all of this and just do static mesh. Follow. Instead of sockets, I'm just wondering if I do like this. Got it lootable. Loot 4. I'm gonna call that loot 2. Loot 1. Loot 3. Go like that. Okay. Okay. Should move, yeah. Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm going to give these all a tag. Loot. Okay, so stuff that, and then on here, I'm gonna get rid of all this. Okay, get rid of all that. Yeah. Actually, I want to keep the right. Yes. Okay, so I want to shuffle get all actors of class with tag. Then static mesh loop. Gonna go like that, yeah. And shuffle them. So now we're shuffling all of these. Are we making a game? Yeah, man. And then what we want to do is we want to go like this and do for each loop. Is yeah. Or you need a 4 actually. 4 loop with break. Yeah. I don't know about that actually. I wanted a 4 loop, yeah, where it's 0 and then the last index is that one. No, I don't want to. I don't want to have a last index like that. Yeah, it needs to be 4 each. Needs to be 4 each. 4 each loop, and then we're getting all of that loot. So we're getting all of them. Okay, that's clean so far. Very nice, very nice. I'm going to then do a B. Greater than. What are you? What do you think you're doing? Okay, so if the owner index is greater than whatever it is, then self-delete, destroy actor component, destroy component. Actually, you wanna do get component modify class. It's not what I want to do. I want to get the component by the array ID. But it's not an array. Maybe I need to add them to the loop meshes, then delete them. Yes, but that's an instance. God damn it, I felt like I was like this close to finishing that, and then array element. Oh. Did I do it? Don't need the sockets in the end. Oh. I don't think it's deleting any. Maybe it's not like the wrong way around, is it? It's not the wrong way around now, is it? Not the. No, I don't think that's it. Give me. Getting all of that, so that's good. Oh, really? It should be get component with tag. Not an actor, so that's not getting anything. I don't think. But bear with me. I am about to code some genius level magic. I'll solve all of this. Yeah, no, I mainly do level design, but I want to do a bit more coding on this project. I'm learning a little bit. Yeah, I can actually delete all of that. Set. Make. Array. All right. Put her up, Scotty. You can just no. You can just go with it. No, don't need it. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? It's still not deleting them, so it is shuffling them, and then Static mesh component object references. I think I need to detach that to place that. Yeah. And then this becomes destroy actor. Although, no. Destroy component. Yeah. I think we may have just cracked it, and it looks beautiful. Beautiful. A clean looking little functionaro there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Cool. Now I just need to add some randomization. Do you believe in magic? What? Whoa. Every single one of them should have a different layout of bottles. Yeah, boy. Woohoo! Oh my god. Taking the trap door. Oh, the collision's broken on the doors. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, dude. I like the labyrinth feel. I might have to make some bigger rooms though. And I want to fix this white banding. Cool. So yeah, let me do like set mesh, new mesh, and then what I want to do, let's do like yeah, I need to save that. Hell, what the hell's going on here? Oh yeah, static mesh component. Well, let me just get like a book or a there's nothing there, bro. No. What am I doing wrong here? Maybe that just needs to be. Why can I not find array? Okay, this is working better. But yeah, binder is it? Okay. Eventually you'll change this to an actual array thing, but yeah. Okay, so we've got 4 there. All I want to do is get random array item like that. Okay. I don't know if that's right. New? I don't know. Could it be that it's got to be a random. Come on now, what are you complaining about? Target must have a connection. Hey, it's working. Nice. But the size is a problem. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a green one's over here. What do you got over here? Oh, a green one. Put it in here. Oh! That'll do for now, donkey. That'll do for now. I think the minimum count we want to do like 5. Oh no, maybe do 3, but do like up to 8. 78! Oh my god. Alright, 0.9. Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick YouTube short type thing. So yeah. Where's the new music? So yeah, we just put together an upgrade to our hazard system. It's now spawning in different random items on it. So yep, pretty crazy, pretty cool. We'll do that again. What, 2 hours 26 minutes. Okay, so on 2 hours 27 I'm gonna start. and gentlemen, yeah, working on the new Rogue-lite game in Unreal Engine, and yeah, we're just over 2 weeks in right now. Oh my god. I've been working on a hazard where a bookshelf slams and hurts you, but yeah, we've got it spawning some items on it, so now every bookshelf spawns different items. Yeah, this is still block out prototype level, but yeah, it's a bit better than something. Definitely needs some adjustment, but for a first draft of getting random item spawning, it'll do, donkey, it'll do. Right, 2 hours 27. I'm gonna cut that into a YouTube short. Yeah, let me go over to the so 2 hours 27. I'm gonna do another one. Right, 2 hours 28 and 10. So, yeah, gentlemen, we're just over 2 weeks into the project now. We've got some better trees in here, and we started getting some grass, but it's all work in progress. We've got to clean up a little bit. A tree that works and comes in and goes around the map, which is pretty cool. I've improved the landscape, and we started getting some of the smaller blocking work done as well, along with all sorts of jumps and adjustments to the layout to make driving more fun. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'll catch you in the next little update, but so far so good, and enjoying the progress. Right, there's about a 30-second YouTube short there. Yeah, it looks like I was peeking a little bit there, my bad. So I'll take that one again, I'll do that one again. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are just over 2 weeks into the project, and a lot has happened recently. We've got some new foliage in, and set up a new foliage profile so that we get trees everywhere and they get thinner at the top. Done some landscaping, so it's starting to look a lot cooler. We've got a train in that goes around the map, which is pretty cool. We've got a new farm location that I'm working on, a new jump, and yeah, been tweaking all the jump locations and the layout in the town to make it a better experience when driving around. Oh, and there's some grunts, but it needs some work. Overall, making good progress, making strides forward, and yeah, check back and see where we're at in a week or so's time. Looking forward to seeing where we're at in a few weeks. It'll be good. Okay, that was like 2 hours 29 minutes. I need to make I need to redo the first short. Okay, I'll redo the first short. That was like 29 minutes. I'll do 2 hours 30 minutes 30 seconds. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, been working on a new mission layout for the new roguelike map game that we're making. I butchered that up. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're working on a new job level layout for the new roguelike game that we're making, which is an online co-op crazy little adventure game. So yeah, working on this hazard system that's spawning in some assets. It is first draft, but yeah, we have some. Oh my god, we have assets spawning. A lot of chaos, a lot of tweaking and improvements to do, but for a early draft little prototype, it does the job. So yeah, we're just over 2 weeks into the prototype of our new game that we're working to get done in 7 weeks. We're about 2 weeks in. We got about just under 5 weeks left to get the prototype done. But yeah, so far so good. Just got a new hazard in. It seems to spit books at you, but yeah, need some tweaks, need some improvements, some little bugs to sort out, but making quick progress on this one. So yep, stay tuned for more. Alright, so I got Mike peeking again. Oh god. Yeah, let me... Beep, 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 beep. Mike peeking again. Hello, welcome. That looks better. Let me turn it down a little bit. Dun, dun. Yeah, I got a limiter. I've got it all. I got a Go XLR. I should be using more, but yeah. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna start again. Right. So I think I'll just start them all again because I really messed it all up. So 2 hours, 33 minutes in. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the project. Yeah, just started working on a new hazard for the mission that I'm designing. So yeah, this is a huge modular set they built to design a really quick level. And yeah, working on the hazards, getting it spawning random items. So you got some books, random binders here. And yeah, it's chucking these books out. Very basic prototype stuff, but it does the job. I really don't like what I said there. I'm sure I'll use something. I give up. Say the mic was peaking. I don't want to have to redo it again. I'm not going to be able to find where the videos are for the cuts. Oh. Take 75. Welcome to the game that we're making. Yeah, we're making a roguelike online co-op, crazy little physics game. And started designing the first level. It's all block out, like early block out work. So got some of the early prototypes set up. Yeah, got it generating some random actors on each bookshelf. So just to make it a little bit more interesting. And it's got that working. Oh god, I'm dead. So yeah, making good progress. But we're only oh, I'm dead. I'm not dead. Fell into the wall. Ow. I'm alive. Perfect take. Look. I need to get one of those like film snap things, you know, the action. Take 75. Yeah, it's making a roguelike game in Unreal Engine. And I've started making the level. So it's still very early work, just trying to figure out the size and the proportions and everything. Built a modular system to build this level very quickly. Started putting some random RNG based hazards in the world, and including this bookshelf that killed me. No, it's spitting out random items at the moment, so just to make it a bit more interesting, got it randomly placing random items on them. Oh, the size of that computer. Oh my god, am I small or is the computer big? The computer's massive. Anyhow, yep, going well. 2 weeks into the project, and we've got another just under 5 weeks to get the prototype done. So going quickly, making lots of progress every day, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. I think that will do. 2 hours, 36 minutes. I'm going to write that down. I'm writing it in the golden book. Okay, this is A magical book. This is where this game idea started, in this book. I say book, it's a notebook. Like it. Yeah. So yeah, 2 hour 36 is the cottage cut. Oh, I'm gonna go back to the town one. Can we get a compilation of full tape? I'm too busy working on this game and working IRL to be doing that. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name's IceGrenade. This is a game that we're working on. It's a roguelike, co-op, online, chaotic adventure game where you're situated in a town and you go off to different jobs and there's all sorts of chaos. The actual theme, we are keeping a little secret, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, the latest updates. Trees! We got trees everywhere. We got some grass, but need some tweaks and improvement. And a train. We got a train in here. So if I press a little couple buttons here, you can see, yeah, there's a train spawning in. Although it's some cubes right now, but just have some imagination. Okay, it's gonna get there. We got a new farm location. We're gonna call jump location. I've modified the layout of the town a bit. Been improving all sorts of little things. We did a big landscape sculpting pass, so basically I was just staring at a screen that's making hills go up and down for a while until I got where I wanted it. Set up a new foliage profile, so we got trees spawning thinner on the tops of mountains and then fading to thicker like lower down. And then yeah, around the town we got some trees, glorious trees. Oh yeah, jumps. Been refining the jumps, although our artist broke the asset, so I have to replace those. So right, times when you're working with a bunch of people on the same project. Oh, it's all good, all good. Yeah, every day we're making great leaps forward and looking forward to seeing where we are in like a week's time or so. But yeah, 2.5 weeks ish into the project, and less than 5 weeks to go to get the prototype done. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And yeah, take it easy. Peace. Right, 39 minutes. 59. The town cut. Love eyes. What do you think about our monsters? He shouldn't have a gun, and he shouldn't be that tall. Yeah, it's the wrong skeleton and stuff, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What about our bear? I decided we needed more googly eyes in our game, so expect more googly eyes. Welcome to our game. We have googly eyes. Yes, we're only 2.5 weeks in, but yeah, I asked him to put more googly eyes on everything, so there are googly eyes on everything, including a flamingo asset. That's pretty awesome. I'm going to restart this one. Let me just get the materials all set up on it. Making an online co-op adventure roguelike. So yeah, join us. I'm showing the development pretty much every day, and yeah, we've got this far in 2.5 weeks. We have a mission level that we're working on, and our artist is putting googly eyes on everything. So that's the art direction. Even on some of the items that you may be looting, anatomically correct, of course. Yeah, what else do you want to see googly eyes on? Let me know. Lightly peeking. I'm speaking too close to it. God damn it. Okay, so. It's 2.5 weeks into the project since we started. Okay, now I'm just going to go straight to the bear, actually. Yeah. It's 2.5 weeks since we started, and we've got less than 5 weeks to go. And yes, I've asked our artists to put more googly eyes on everything. So what do you think? Leadable flamingo? Anatomically correct? What would you want to see googly eyes on? I think we need to make our player more googly. But yeah, making great progress and streaming almost daily. So stay tuned. Peace. Right, I think that was good. 42. Googly eyes. What else should I do a little short on? What should I do a short on? So, a really quick little video. We've got a train. We've got a farmyard that I started working on today, and it's really barren. There's not much there. But yes, I planted the landscapes. We have trees. We have foliage distribution being thinner on the tops of the mountaintops. We have the old lady's cottage. We got more jumps. We got a big jump here over the train. And we got a jump here. And we got a new jump over here as well, a little wildlife jump. And we got a little jump here. And we're constantly adding jumps everywhere to make vehicle driving a core part of the town experience on this game. But of course, that is not it. We have the job locations as well, which will range from all sorts of locations. Might be a sewage, a factory, a farm base, inside a giant evil church. But yeah, all based from this lovely little town where everything's perfect and nothing is out of place. Yeah, we've just started putting some grass in. Needs a lot of work. Yes. But yeah, done some block out for the shop. They're selling grass. No, I don't know. It shouldn't be grass in there. Forget about that. So working on the bar. We got your where you have your business. And yeah, going to be working on building up these POI locations at some point. Anyways, yeah, let me know what you think. Is there enough locations in this map? Okay. I got one about the cottage mission, one about the progress on the town, one about googly eyes, and one about the locations in the town. Oh, that's a great idea. So welcome to our new roguelite game. If you've been following, yeah, we're making a crazy little, I don't even know where to start, man. Just look at the other videos. But yes, we have billboards. If you want to let me know, what would you put on a billboard for maximum humor? We may just put it in if it's good enough. Some of the other ones, so these are very placeholder. I've come up with some better ideas actually since. What about one that says, yeah, loans, interest-free loans, healthy organs required as collateral in small print. I think it works. But two and a half weeks into making our Unreal game, and yeah, working on the town. I've been basically working on the layout predominantly, putting in more jumps, more roads, making sure everything's connected and has a smooth flow to it. And then yeah, doing a little bit with some of the points of interest, including the shop, the office where you start at, and a new farm location. Yeah, one thing we haven't put too much time into, and maybe you can help me, is we have billboards all around the place, and yeah, they're going to be nicer looking. But what would you put on a billboard? Think little, perfect little town, but really funny billboards. Give me some ideas, and the best ones may just make it into the game, you know. So let me know what you think would be good on a billboard. I'm going to do some art for it, make some cool graphics, and maybe a funny tagline on there. Anyways, have a good one. Peace. I think I'll do. Alright, let me... Yeah, we've been working on this for 2.5 weeks now. This is our little town, and this is the hub of the game. But it's just the hub. There are mission locations, and there's going to be lots of different things you can do in this game. We're aiming to get it all done in a year, and we're seeing how much we can get done in 7 to 8 weeks. So yeah, we've got just under 5 weeks left to get the prototype all up and running, which is the full vertical slice of the game. And yeah, still lots to do, but I'm loving the direction of it. And of course, yeah, there's a lot of things to fix up, including the grass, which is still a little bit buggy, but yeah, making good progress. What do you want to see in this game? Let me know. Right, what are we? 2:48. Progress. Any more YouTube short ideas? I didn't like how much like sideways movement I was doing in that YouTube short there. Like, I'd rather do like random cuts, you know. Yeah, maybe I'll retake that last one. Yeah. Yeah, we are 2.5 weeks into development on this project, and we're trying to get a whole prototype done in less than 8 weeks. So we've still got a bit of work to do, but I'm loving the direction so far. Damn. Yeah, we're just at the bottom of the mountain right now. There's so much more to do. Let me know what you want to see in it. Going through that mountain, I didn't like that. You know, moving too quickly. Yeah, we are 2.5 weeks into making this project. Still loads to do. We're making good progress. Got less than 5 weeks to finish the prototype. We're looking forward to see where we're at in about 5 weeks. Don't like that take. Would I add any aeroplanes, hot air balloons, decorate ambulance, flying overhead, or additional advertising? I do have plans for flying things. Hot air balloons is a good shout. I like that. I want lots of motion in every level. I want to get a good like good pan. That was a sick pan. I should have spoken and said something. My slow-mo's too quick, bro. My, I have, that's a sick video. Wait, wait. Yo, wait, what? Ladies and gentlemen, we are 2.5 weeks into making our game. We have less than 5 weeks to go to finish the prototype. Join me on the journey as we make something awesome. An online co-op roguelike game. See you on the next stream, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye. That was pretty sick. I like that. Oh yeah, write that down. Write that down. 2 hours, 54 minutes. That makes you feel like you're on acid. I've been painting some trees, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our game. It's so bad. Yeah, no, we are 2.5 weeks into making our game. Loads still to do, but we're gonna get it done in less than 5 weeks. So join me. The last thing you do. See you, ladies and gentlemen. See you on the next one. Bye. Okay, I've been recording some little shorts clips. Try the controller. Oh, it's not set up for controller. Oh. Start on the outskirts. Zoom like that, and then when you hit the point of what you've been working on, zoom back. I haven't even been working on anything here, so. You mean like, if I want to talk about the bear? No. It's too harsh. There's no, it's either on or off. Our artist has been doing stuff. He's been putting googly eyes on everything. He's got to be stopped. He's even put them on a flamingo. Okay. We have a new location in our game. It's a farm. Can you see? A new location in the game. It felt authentic, but not. I want to see if I can get on top of that. Top of the train. Uh-oh. Whoa. Doing. I've done it. Oh, he's going. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a train. Bam, 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 bam. Getting out of Quahog on this one. I don't feel like it's gonna delete any second now. No. Bye. Oh, how'd I get here? fixing there. Onto the hand. Right, here's the plan. Take this car. Get to the sign. I meant to do that. On the vehicular camera. I missed a shortcut. I want to see if that jump is doable. Oh crap. Don't worry about it. For a fish. Fish, bruv. Oh no, we're not a fish. Needs some improvement. I think I'll make that something you can actually do. You're gonna have a boosting and a drift mechanic as well, so. Jesus Christ. What the hell did I hit? That was pretty atrocious.
I've always admired those who just do it and they conquer their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side?
They all got to do the farm jump. Oh my god. Maybe that's an achievement. Kickflip over a train. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Are we good? Bam, 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 bam. Right. Johnny M. If you're still here, Johnny M, I know Logical Edits has got a tutorial on Lua, so I haven't used it, so I don't know if it's any good, but pretty smart guy, so pretty good. Right, I'm pissing about so much. I'm gonna go, but thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next one. Take it easy, all. I'll see you on Wednesday. Back on Wednesday after work. Yep, back on Wednesday after work. Take care. See you later. Peace.